You were fortunate enough to come for you one day. And that was lucky. He was my friend. So he was more important than my family. And where was I when he was breathing his last breath? Japan, making a business. For anyone who wants to say anything about Lucky before we say goodbye, I would.
Janka?
I've had the great pleasure of being the other old dog in Charlie's life for the past 30 years. Like Lucky, I feel like a fortunate son of a gun to have Charlie as a friend. I've said some things. Oh, please don't go there. I have to. Why? You've always had faith in me. And I didn't have faith in you. You're not just my best friend. You're the best kind.